Hey guys, welcome to our channel Learn with Rahul. So today we are going to discuss about important short questions answers on Mitsukotika by Sudroka. So before I start, I have a request for you guys. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So let's start. Question number 1. What is the main theme of Mitsukotika? Answer. Mitchakatika offers the theme of Sudraka being a Kshatriya who was always ready to take advantage of fighting. Mitchakatika, which is a 10-act play, constitutes of various themes making it subject of a talk. Poverty is one of the most central theme of the play. Number 2. What is the play Mitchakatika based on? Answer. Mitchakatika, a 10-act play based on the love of Charudatta, a prominent but poor inhabitant of Ujjaini, and Vasansena, an exquisitely beautiful and pure-minded courtesan of the same city. Number 3. How did Charudatta become poor? Answer. Charudatta is the incarnation of nobility. He bows down before the courtesan's mother with nobility, welcomes the smallest office of the court with nobility, and also offers his necklace to Basansena in the place of her stolen ornaments with nobility. Excess of charity makes him poor. Number 4. What is the setting of the play Mitchakatika? Answer. Mitchakatika, the Little Clay Cart, is a 10-act Sanskrit drama attributed to Sudraka, an ancient playwright whose is possibly from the 5th century AD. Number 5. Why does the play Mitchakatika have importance in history? Answer. Unlike other classical plays in Sanskrit, the play does not borrow from epics or mythology. The characters of Sudraka are drawn from the mundane world. It is peoples with gamblers, courtesans, thieves, and so on. Though Basansena is a courtesan, her exemplary attitude and dignified behavior impress the audience. Number 6. What was the profession of Basansena? Answer. In Sudraka's Mitchakatika, Basansena is a courtesan of Ujjaini. Her job is to entertain men. She is rich, young, and beautiful. Despite all her endowments, for a long time she has sold her body and beauty to the highest bidder. Number 7. Describe about the character of Charudatta. Answer. Charudatta is a generous young man who, through his charitable contributions to unlucky friends and the general public welfare, has severely impoverished himself and his family. Though deserted by most of his friends and embarrassed by deteriorating living conditions, he has maintained his reputation in Ujjaini as an honest and upright man with a rare gift of wisdom, and many important men continue to seek his counsel. Number 8. Who was Samasthanaka? Answer. Samasthanaka was the antagonist character of the play, and also he was half mad brother in law of King Palaka.